Hello, hello, hello. Hope everyone is good. Thought I'd jump on for some earnings about to come out. Just as the action is coming in as well, we should see the market going crazy right now. But I'm actually just going to jump on to financial juice to see. We've got a few earnings. We've got Visa just coming out, Tesla. So we should see a bit of a crazy swing in the next couple of minutes or so. A bit of a late one to jump on for me, to be honest, but the market was doing absolutely nothing, as you can see. It's only in the last 15 minutes we've moved. So let me know how everyone is doing. Do you take any positions today? Relatively shit day, to be honest. Treasuries has been dreadful. Look at this action on ES as well. Shocking. Treasuries is probably one of the worst price action days I've seen. It's only the 30, sorry, it's only the Ultra that's moved today. Okay, so let's see what this report is that's coming in. I'm just going to play this. So I thought it would be interesting to jump on for the last hour or so, seeing as we've got some earnings, so we should see some moves for a bit of a change. Typically the market dies at 5 to 10 past 4. Wow, here we go. Alphabet with a beat. Wow. Tesla just coming out as well. So Google pretty much a beat all round. Or Alphabet. Sell off despite the beat. So let's see if we can break the mold here. Are we just going to consolidate around? Looks to be consolidating around. Visa as well. Okay. Thought I'd maybe see a little bit more of a move considering. It's weird that Alphabet just sold off for Google. I think they've got actually two different listings, as far as I'm aware. Pretty mixed for Visa. Not surprising considering MasterCard's slaughtering them at the issuing at the moment. Looks like we're just using these orders to these earnings just to shoot off orders, not really any real direction. Shame. As per usual. Shocking price action again for Monday and Tuesday. It's probably one of the worst it's been, to be honest. Okay range in the first few hours, I suppose. Hello, how's it going? TPS, how's it going, dude? So nothing too exciting with that data. So we had Tesla relatively flat, Google basically smashing earnings, everything apart from YouTube ad revenue, and Visa slightly mixed, but nothing to rock the boat. Typically when you see, one up, one down, you're going to see this type of action. You'd probably need all three to have a significant beat to see some surging, but typically Tesla is slightly higher weighted. Yeah, me too. Considering there was a couple of the big boys in there as well. Initial sell-off, I think, in Google, and then looks like it caught a bid. Relatively difficult couple of days. Did you take any trades today? So I thought we'd maybe get something a little bit past the normal sort of 10 to quarter past 4 mark. Just watched, nice one. That's what I like to hear. Typically in the markets like this it's better just to watch, so it's a good habit to learn. I think some Tesla news actually already come out, but it could be hitting now, to be honest. It was due for it to come out at 10 past 4. Some commentary that they're still on track for new car releases next year, but orders are not as high as expected. Tesla always fluffs around. Yeah, I think they've already came out. Slightly mixed for Tesla. It was down like 1%. I just got that on the financial juice wire. But it looks like we're slightly moving right now. I was marking this out to see if we could sweep the overnight low, but don't think we're going to get down there now. So the only one that looks to have really overperformed, apart from YouTube ad revenue, is Google. I think Google has two tickers, don't they? Alphabet and things like a B shares or something. See, I don't think there's anything else out. Yeah, so we can see here Tesla revenue a slight beat. Operating income slightly down. Free cash flow down quite a lot, 600 roughly million. Gross margins a little bit higher. Pretty mixed, to be honest. I think at these times normally, unless it's like, you know, 3 big beats or 3 underperforming results for the market to drop off. But you'd expect a little bit more of a move than that, wouldn't you? Yeah, exactly. We'll see here if they can sweep this low. Not too far away, because if we take this low, there's going to be some stops below here. Or I'm just going to pull the offer and ram it back into value. Yeah, sadly, that looks to be it. Disappointing Tuesday. We may end in a slight spike down. Volume is certainly higher than normal at this time. Normally it's trickling around. If we don't break this low in the next couple of minutes, that's all she wrote. Yep. Okay, everyone. Not exactly the most exciting news. I thought we would get a little bit more action in that. Some talking points. I'm still intrigued though if we can take this low. It's certainly trying. Nasdaq is working its way. There we go. It'd be really interesting if we could take this low and sweep at this time. Seems relatively unlikely though. Hey dude, how's it going? Terence, how's it going? Rob, how's it going, dude? Yeah. Look how thin the book is in NQ, it's wild. Do you not trade bonds today, Rob? Right, we're going to pause this. So Terence, yeah, so it's not too exciting the last couple of days. Rob, Treasuries, wish I didn't even bother today, it was an absolute waste of time. It's possibly today some of the worst action I think I've seen. Frustrating day. I actually ended relatively flat, but just had to work for every tick. You know, the amount of absorption in the offer, the 10-year was in like a 3-tick range all day, and then in the last, I know, hour, the only movement's been in the ultra. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, these types of days in ES, you know, the sort of standard open, test the highs, pull back, sweep, you know, set initial balance, pretty standard. This is literally carbon copy what happened yesterday. We go to yesterday, we opened, pulled back, swept a high, pulled back again. This was initial balance low as well, and then we just did the same thing. Not as consolidating at the highs, mind you. But yeah, pretty straightforward. To be honest, Rob, if He did not miss much. If any day to miss treasuries, it was today. Normally, you know, in treasuries we at least sweep the high like 4 and 5 ticks. The 30-year didn't do it. The ultra didn't do it. It just hit it to the downside towards the end of the session. But that's about it. Nothing exciting whatsoever. And he definitely didn't miss anything, Terence. Definitely not, man. I've been bored out by marbles today. Did you have a good day in equities, though, Rob? Did you trade? Yes. Yeah, painful day. Couldn't even seem to get like 3 and 4 tick movements, to be honest with you. It was just constant reloading a bid, reloading an offer, pulling bids, pulling offers, no direction. Which happens. We can't get it. We can't get it. Normally that's like Monday's behaviour, but Monday was pretty good. You know, we cracked lows, continued. You know, it's happy days. So we should maybe see a little bit more volatility pick up for the rest of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday tends to have more volume in treasuries anyways. Would you look at that? We're just going to reclaim value. What a surprise. Nice. Nice. Did you hold it for a decent move, or did you only take like 10 tickaroos or anything? What's your sort of standard target? Yes, I try and if it's a decent range, I try and maybe get 15 ticks. Two to three tick scalperoos. Yeah, nicely done, dude. Nicely done. Any ticks is better than no ticks. You typically would expect more movement from some of the big boys, you know, earnings like that. The market's basically just shrugged it off and not did a thing. Considering it's Tesla and Google in there as well. NQ, is it me or does NQ look thinner than normal? It's not like I keep track of that, but It certainly looks thinner than normal. I mean, you might as well just toss a coin with that order flow. So I think that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys get on with your evening. Unless anyone's got any other questions, you can relax. I think we, if I jumped on stream earlier, I suppose we would look at this action. Normally we jump on here about this time, so look at this action. This was the action for the hours that we normally jump on stream. So look at that! Wow, it's crazy. This action here. That was from the space of, so here from 7 my time, so it's like 2 p.m. till here. Yeah, so that's like 2 hours of this nonsense. So it would be like watching paint dry if we jumped on a stream. Kind of to be expected before earnings, right? So it looks like we're probably going to work our way back in a very slow motion back up to 8s, the previous day close. So today has literally been a nothing burger. Opened and closed in the exact same spot. Back up to settlement. It's extremely wishful thinking. Thinking we could swoop the overnight low. Jeez. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great evening. We'll be on earlier tomorrow. Hopefully, we can get a little bit of action. I think the calendar's a little bit fuller tomorrow, so should be a little bit more volatile. You guys take care and have a great evening.